Hello everyone, I'm happy to share another pattern video with you. In this video, you see how to change satin sleeve to shirt sleeve. By this way, you can design a variety of sleeves for designing casual clothes. Let's start. First of all, I copy from basic patterns on bodice until waistline and sleeve completely. We need to make some changes to start sleeve designing. First, changes on the front bodice. Transfer shoulder dart to armhole and center front. The place of new opening on armhole is 2 cm above the notch. Keep 2 cm on armhole opening and the rest goes to the center front. Okay, next, changes on the sleeve pattern. Measure between front notch and center of grain line on the armhole, divide it into 2, and mark the same amount on the back armhole. Draw lines from these new points parallel to grain lines. Cut the lines and open 2 cm on armhole, but opening on the hem of the sleeve is optional. It means you can open 2 cm or not. Here, I did it. Now separate front and back sleeve from the grain line. Extend the notch in line and go down 6 cm on the side. From that point on the side, square line 1.5 to 3 cm. Here I choose 1.5 cm. On the front side of the sleeve, go down equal to square line on bodice, 1.5 cm, and draw a line. Okay, it's time to attach a sleeve and bodice to design new ones. Attach the sleeve while the notch locating on the extended line and on shoulder goes inside 1.5 cm. you should first design armhole and bodice, then draw sleeve armhole. You can design drop shoulder or using shoulder line in your sleeve or even draw neckline cuts. I extend shoulder line for 5 cm and draw new armhole to design drop shoulder pattern. Mark new notch on new armhole. It should be on extended line from previous notch. Measure between new notch and the end of the armhole and draw an arc with the center of notch. It should cross the line drawn on the side of sleeve. Now complete the curve of armhole on sleeve pattern. It's the armhole of bodice. It's the armhole of sleeve. Draw new side of sleeve. In this step, you can add some to this hem of the sleeve, but I didn't. Trace any lines you need to complete the bodice. According to your model, you can draw the side of the bodice. Here I add 1.5 cm to waistline and draw that. Do exactly the same as the front. Extend notch in line. Go down 6 cm on the side. Square a line therefore 1.5 cm. On sleeve side, go down for 1.5 cm and draw the line. Attach sleeve to bodice while its notch is on the extended line, and on shoulder, go in 1.5 cm. Use front pattern to complete shoulder line on the back. It's time to design new armhole on bodice. Mark new notch on extended line. Measure between notch and the end of armhole, then add 1 centimeter and draw an arc with the center of notch. Continue the arc until it crosses the side line on sleeve. Next, complete armhole curve on sleeve. Draw a new side line on sleeve pattern. If you add some amount on a hem of front part of a sleeve, then add it here as well. Trace any lines to complete patterns, then separate the pattern of bodice and sleeve. Draw side of bodice on back exactly same as front. We need to check the measurements of the armholes on bodice and sleeve. They should be equal or with 1 centimeter difference. If it's more, need to correct that on a sleeve pattern. For example, on back, I need to correct it, but on the front it's okay. After that, we can match front and back of the sleeve and make one-piece sleeve. You can make changes on neckline and transfer the dart to modelize the pattern.